Today I'm going to show you how we made this carved glass tabletop mounted onto a mirror base. Once we had the design nailed down, we plotted the stencil out with our pattern using a 12mm vinyl resist. We then applied the stencil onto a low iron ultra-clear tempered glass. We're going to be sandblasting this one using an automated method, utilizing multiple passes at a very low speed to get the depth we want. By the time we're done, each section of the glass is passed through the machine 10 times, digging a little deeper with every pass until we achieve the desired depth. Then we'll carefully peel and clean the glass. Then we're going to power wash the piece and carefully inspect it. When complete, we're going to load her up and we're on our way. To begin the install, we're going to adhere a mirror base on top of the customer's existing stainless steel frame. This will include all the sides as well. Then we begin adhering the skirting around the table. We're going to do this on the floor, one section at a time. We apply a clear line of ultra-clear glue, and then we use a UV light to cure it. We get the two sides on the table, and we adhere the final side once in place to ensure a perfect fit. Once we get that last side on, we adhere the top and give it a final cleaning. And there you have it, all done. If you enjoyed this, make sure to hit that thumbs up and remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.